Welcome to our HTML tutorial designed specially for beginners. Whether you are completely new to coding or just starting your journey, you are in the right place. This tutorial is for individuals with no prior experience in HTML. We want to emphasize that no prior experience is necessary to get started. All you need is an eagerness to learn and a willingness to dive into the world of HTML coding. Remember, learning to code takes patience and practice. It's okay to make mistakes along the way. Each error is an opportunity to learn and grow as a coder. In this tutorial, we will focus primarily on HTML with limited or negotiable involvement of CSS. This allows you to grasp the fundamental of HTML coding without getting overwhelmed by the styling complexities. By the way, CSS is used for styling your HTML web page. We will soon have separate playlist for you. Now let's explore what HTML truly is. HTML, which stands for Hypertext Markup Language, serves as a backbone of the internet. It's the standard markup language used to create and design web pages, shaping the very structure and content of what we see online. Imagine HTML is a framework of a building. It provides the essential structure defining the layout, text, images, and other elements that make a website. HTML utilizes tags, which are enclosed within angle brackets, to define various elements on a web page. These tags act as instruction, telling the browser how to display the content. Essentials required for us to begin. To work with HTML as a basic beginner developer, all you need is a browser and a text editor. Browser could be any of your choice. It could be a Chrome, Firefox, Safari, Edge, or Opera. You could use Visual Studio Code as a text editor, or you could use Brackets, Notepad, Bluefish, any of them. I will use Visual Studio here. Thank you for joining us today. Stay tuned for more insight on the fascinating world of technology. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you.